Hi, everyone. Welcome to Chinese. If you don't know a single word of Chinese, don't panic. You are in the perfect place. Today is day 1. I am Bo.
And I am Lin. We are so happy you are here. Learning Chinese is a beautiful journey. Bo and I will take it with you, one small step at a time.
Exactly. No heavy grammar, no stress. Just listening to us and repeating out loud.
Today, we are learning the most important thing in any language, how to say hello and introduce yourself. Are you ready, Bao?
我准备好了. Let's do this. Okay, Lin. If I see a stranger on the streets of Beijing, how do I say hello?
It is very simple. You say, 你好. 你 means you.
And how?
好 means good.
So literally we are saying you good?
Exactly. It is like a wish. 你好.
Let's give our listeners a second to repeat it out loud.
你好. Now I want to tell them my name. How do I say my name is Bo in Chinese?
You can say, 我叫, and then your name.
Ah, that makes sense. So for me, I would say 我叫波.
Yes, and for me, I say, 我叫 Lin. Now, everyone try. Say, 我叫 and your name.
Great job! 你好，我叫鲍.
Next, say, 很高兴认识你. 很 means very. 高兴 means happy. 认识 means to meet or know someone. And 你 means you. So, very happy to meet you.
很高兴认识你.
Perfect. And finally, say thank you. 谢谢.
谢谢. That one is everywhere. Okay, Lin, let's review everything slowly.
Good idea. Number 1, hello. 你好.
Number 2, my name is. 我叫. 我叫.
Number 3, nice to meet you. 很高兴认识你.
And number 4, thank you. 谢谢. You all did a fantastic job today. Learning a new language takes time, so be proud of yourself.
Practice makes perfect.
In Chinese, we say 再见. See you next time.
再见.
再见，下次见。